with the next question. Let us understand the lateral surface area of a cube and a cuboid. We'll start with a cube, okay? So in simple, it just means the area of 4 walls, right? So I have to ignore the top and the bottom area, or the top and the bottom faces, all right? So we know that in a cube, each face is in the shape of a square, right? Suppose this is A, this is also A, and then I actually find the area of area. What will be the answer? It will simply be A square, right? Which means this is right is A square, left is also A square, front is also A square, and the back is also A square, the area, right? So I have to add all of them, and then I'm going to get the lateral surface area, or the area of 4 walls of a cube, to be 4 times A square. So same thing even for a cuboid, right? The top and the bottom are not taken, but the rest, right? Left, right, front, and back. So here, if you look at the front and the back, and actually find the area, we know that in a cuboid, each face is in the shape of a rectangle, right? So if I actually find the area of this front, it will be length into height. Same thing for the back, right? Length into height. And if I add both the area of the front and the back, if I add them, I'll get what? 2 times length height, right? So that's how it comes here. Same thing even for the left and the right, right? Breadth into height, breadth into height. If I do that, I'll get the area of this right. Same thing with this area of the left. And if I add them, I'm going to get 2 times breadth height. And you can see from here, 2 and h are common, right? So I've taken them together, and I'm going to get what? Twice height, length plus breadth, which will give us the lateral surface area of a cuboid, or the area of 4 walls of a cuboid. Now let's solve this question here. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meters. Perimeter means, remember, boundary, alright? If the cost of painting the 4 walls, so remember, we'll be dealing only with 4 walls here, right? At the rate of rupees 10 per meter square, rupees 15,000. Total cost is 15,000, right? So solution, perimeter of the rectangular floor. So you can see here, perimeter means I have to add all the 4 sides, right? So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, then I'll get the perimeter, or the boundary. So I've written here, which can simply be written as twice length plus 2 times breadth. And if I take 2 common, I'll have 2 times length plus breadth. How much is it? The perimeter, the boundary is 250 meter. They've given us the total cost and also the rate. So remember, okay, whenever they give you the total rate, the total cost and the rate, it is very easy to find the area. Just remember this formula, okay? Total cost equals rate into total area. Now, which total area we're talking about here? In this particular question, it will be area of 4 walls, right? I know the total cost and rate. This rate will go down to the denominator, right? So you can see here. So like I said, what area we're trying to find? The area of 4 walls, right? Total cost by rate. So total cost has been given to us 15,000. Rate has been given to us 10 rupees, right? Then area of 4 walls, we just did now. The formula is twice height, length plus breadth. Okay, we can divide this 0 and 0. Now here, I'll be taking these 2 and length plus breadth together. Okay, now look here, same thing here, right? 2 and length plus breadth are together. What is the value? 250. So I'm going to put it here, 250. This 250 will go down. I can divide it 0 and 0, then 25, 6. So that is how I'm going to get the height of the hall to be 6 meters.